Hello everyone, let's learn alphabet sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple, ant. B is for boat, ball. C is for cat, coat. D is for drum, dinosaur. E is for elephant, eggs. F is for flower, fan. G is for goat, grapes. H is for hat, helicopter. I is for ice cream, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jam. K is for kite, king. L is for lemon, lion. M is for monkey, mug. N is for nest, net. O is for octopus, orange. P is for pan, penguin. Q is for queen, quilt. R is for rainbow, rocket. S is for sun, sock. T is for train, tiger. U is for unicorn, umbrella. V is for vase, van. W is for watermelon, whale. X is for xylophone, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yak. Z is for zebra, zip. Well done, everyone. Fantastic learning. Great job. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade phonics resources that will help your child with their reading and writing skills. These resources has helped my class to become fluent readers, and it will guarantee to help your child too. I will leave a link in description. Thank you.